Good morning. What is going on, everyone? RJ here, and today I'm gonna go ahead and recap my green day for you guys. Today's stock was super easy. I was done within 12 minutes, and I traded CHPT on the short side. And on the 5-minute chart, it was an opening range breakdown. On the 1-minute chart, looks like when I took the entry, it was consolidating, so I was doing like a reverse ABCD pattern. And then on the 2-minute chart, it was clearly a bear flag, so it gave me conviction to enter the position, and it just went ahead and dropped, and I covered, and then pretty much was all out by 12 minutes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on in. I'll show you guys and walk you guys through my recap of the day. All right, everyone, so let's go ahead and recap my trade of the day. It is CHPT on the short side. And so this was called out in the bear bull trader community, and it was a stock that was gapping up. But just like Brian had said, just before the bell, you'll see that it was trading below VWAP here. And then at the bell ring, it just went ahead and continued to drop and trade below VWAP, giving you this opening range breakdown. After it showed this first 1-minute candle, I went ahead and took another short position here around the 23, I want to say 23.13. Let's just call it 23.13 area. And then on the third candle, it went ahead and dropped below $23. So I went ahead and covered covered around 22.90 and then covered some more at around 22.88. I just continued to cover here. Over here, I went ahead and took the rest of it out at around 23.13, just below my entry point of 23.13, 23.14. Now, I was going to be done for the day, but what I did notice is it started to consolidate right below this EMA, this white EMA line. And so what I ended up doing was I took another short position for a reverse ABCD pattern, and I was able to take some profits here to $23 and then got immediately stopped back out. But I was still seeing, let's clean up this chart a little bit here. Let's clean up the drawing. I was seeing a reverse ABCD pattern. So you have this, and then you have the consolidation period right here. And so what I ended up doing, so on the 1-minute chart, you saw a reverse ABCD pattern. On the 5-minute chart, you still saw kind of like a opening range breakdown. It just continued to show signs of weakness. Now I'm going to bring over the 2-minute chart. And on the 2-minute chart, you saw over here that it is a bear flag. So here's the igniting candle downwards, and here's the flag. So on the 2-minute, I saw a bear flag. On the 1-minute, I saw a reverse ABCD pattern, and on the 5-minute, I just continued to see an opening range breakdown position. So I went ahead and took another position right here, just around the 22.90 area. Now, when I took that 22.90 area, it just dropped. Let's delete some of this. It just dropped over here to 22.88. And then I took more profits here at 22.61, took more profits here at around 22.38, continued to take more profits here, and then was just pretty much all out right here around 22.60. So that was an enormous move for me. So an entry position of around the 22.90 area, covering all the way to 22.30s. So that was almost about a 50-cent move, and it was a really clean trade for me. Really good day. Again, it was multi-chart alignment for me. On the 5-minute chart, it was an opening range breakdown below the VWAP. On the 5-minute chart, I saw a reverse ABCD pattern. So here's the consolidation period. Here's the drop, consolidation, and then it continued to drop here. And then on the 2-minute chart, I saw a bear flag. And so after that bear flag, look at this nice drop right here. So clean trades on CHPT. I hope everyone was able to see the patterns that I traded today. It was a combination of multi-chart alignment, opening range breakdown on the 5, reverse ABCD pattern on the 1, and a bear flag on the 2-minute chart. So I hope you guys enjoyed that recap. Super easy, clean day today. One stock I traded on the short side, and it was really good gains for today. I just covered, and it kept showing signs of weakness, so I just kept covering along the way. And finally, as I saw it was kind of rebounding back up, I just took all the profits out. I didn't even wait for it to break even. So hope everyone had a wonderful trading day. Today was super easy. I have some major announcements coming up in the next couple weeks, almost pretty much life-changing events happening in my life that I'm super excited to share with everyone. I hope everyone had a wonderful green day. Tomorrow I won't be able to trade. I'll be traveling to Baltimore to help my brother move for his new job, so no trade for tomorrow. I will see everyone pretty much on Tuesday next week, so I'll be gone from tomorrow until Monday. With that being said, have an awesome rest of your Thursday. And as always, remember, trade clean and stay green. I'll see you guys soon.